In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy and paste a selection into a new layer in Photoshop. This simple technique is the foundation of many edits, from basic touch-ups to complex composites, and it all starts with a clean selection. Begin by choosing a selection tool that matches the shape and detail of what you want to isolate. If you're grabbing a simple rectangular or elliptical area, the marquee tool is quick and precise. For irregular shapes, the lasso tool gives you freehand control, while a polygonal lasso helps with straight edges. Take a moment to zoom in so you can see the edges clearly. As you draw your selection, watch for the marching ants outline that indicates the area you've picked. If you need a bit more accuracy, remember that holding Shift usually adds to your selection and Alt or Option subtracts from it, letting you refine the boundary without starting over. Once your selection looks right, copy it with the keyboard. On Windows, press Ctrl+C. On a Mac, press Command+C. This copies only the pixels inside the active selection, not the entire image. It's a good habit to double check that the selection is active before copying, because if you don't see the marching ants, you might end up copying nothing at all. Next, paste what you copied. On Windows, press Ctrl+V. On a Mac, press Command+V. As soon as you paste, your editor creates a new layer for the pasted content automatically and places it above your original image. This is the key benefit. The pasted pixels live on their own layer, so they're independent from the background. That means you can edit, hide, or move them later without affecting the rest of the image. Look over to your Layers panel and you'll see the new layer appear with a thumbnail showing the content you pasted. This visual confirmation helps you know the operation worked and that your selection is now isolated on its own layer. Keeping selections on separate layers is a best practice because it preserves flexibility and makes it easier to experiment without committing to changes on the original image. That's all there is to it. Make a careful selection, copy it, paste it, and let the software put it on a new layer for you. With this workflow in mind, you'll be ready to build cleaner edits, protect your original pixels, and work more confidently on any project.